1969 Camaro. Nice. We made the key to the ignition. Now we're going to make the key to the doors.
Yeah, just see, that's where the horn thing should go. See that?
Yeah. So this is made apart, never put together again properly. And that one has a code on it. The ignition just popped right in.
Doesn't really matter where this was because it didn't line up to anything anyway.
Where we're going to make keys to the doors and the trunk. It has a glove box lock on it. Open it. Lock her back. We'll pick it and we'll pull it out. We have a code. So we can, if we didn't have the code, it wouldn't matter because we got 4. And then we just progress the other 2. So there's a little retainer that I had to push down, and there's the wafers. But we have a code, so just make it 2 seconds to do this.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.